Hello and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to play Accidentally in Love by Counting Crows. Now you might recognize this song from the movie Shrek 2. It's a really upbeat, fun little tune. So grab your guitar, make sure you're tuned up, and let's get started. So to kick things off in the lesson, let's take a look at the verse. We're going to be learning this section in two parts because the verse is quite a long section in the song. So the first half of the verse, it's going to be up on the screen for you. We're going to be starting on a G major chord. And I'm going to suggest playing with 4 fingers here because the second chord in the sequence is a C add 9. Now for the C add 9, all we need to do is keep our 3rd and 4th fingers glued down to those strings, and we'll take our 1st and 2nd fingers and we're going to move them to the D string and to the A string. So the 1st finger will be squeezing down the D string in the 2nd fret, and our 2nd finger will be squeezing down the A string in the 3rd fret. And this is going to give us a C add 9. Really beautiful and easy chord transition. So we're going from that G to a C add 9. We then change back to the G chord and then to our C add 9 chord again. From here, we're going to be changing to an E minor. We have a regular A major next, and then a regular C major. So that is the first half of the verse. So the strumming pattern that we're going to be using in the song is dead easy. It's our favorite beginner pattern, which sounds like this: down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 4, and. And every single chord is going to get 1 round of that strumming pattern. So let's give that a try together. We're going to start on that G major, and here we go. A 1, 2, ready, and G. We're going to switch to the C add 9. Back to the G, C add 9. Moving on to the second line of chords, we have E minor to the A, down, down, up, down, up, and the C chord. So there isn't too much more to discuss there. There's not too many stumbling blocks. I've really tried to keep this as simple as possible with that strumming pattern, and connecting the G to the C add 9 is a really great little tip that you can use in that first half of the verse. Now the second half of the verse is going to be flashed up on the screen, and you're going to notice that it is almost identical to the first half of the verse. The only difference is that we have an extra chord, which is that D major, coming in at the second last chord in the sequence. So let's run through the chords again. We have G, C add 9, G, C add 9, then we go to our A minor, to an A, D major, and then to a regular C major. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put the entire verse together. Every single chord is going to get down, down, up, down, up. So let's give it a go, starting on the G. A 1, 2, ready, C add 9, G, C add 9, E minor, the A chord and the C, back to G, to the C add 9 chord and the G, C add 9, E minor, makes me want an A chord and the D chord to the C. Now, if you are enjoying my teaching style and you are thinking to yourself, hey, I wish I had more structured guidance from Amber, well, you'll be happy to know that I have something very special for you. I've gone ahead and created guitar courses to meet you at every level, whether you are a beginner or an intermediate player. Maybe you're wanting to tighten up your strumming, your chord transitions, or even learn how to do fingerpicking. Inside my courses, you will have access to my video lessons as well as to downloadable PDFs to help you become a confident guitarist. So if you are ready to take your playing to the next level, then click the link below and I cannot wait to welcome you into one of my programs. So our chorus is up next and we have the chords up on the screen. We're going to be starting off with a G major. From here we have an A minor chord. We then have a regular C major and we have a D major. Now for the D major, you are welcome to play a regular D major chord shape. However, for this song, I like to make things a little bit more interesting in the chorus section. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing a D major chord with a slightly different voicing. So go and find that C major. And what we're going to be doing is taking this exact shape and we're going to slide it up by 2 frets. So now you're playing a C chord shape in frets 3, 4, and 5. And you can still strum from that A string down. And this is going to give us a different voicing of a D major chord. And it's a very fun little transition when you're in the song. We're going to be taking it from a C to a D. And we're just going to shift those fingers up by 2 frets. So let's try it again from our G to A minor, C major, and scooch the fingers up to our new sounding D major chord. Now, the strumming pattern that we're going to be using in the chorus, at least for the first half of the chorus, is still the pattern that we've been working with. Down, down, up, up, down, up. But you'll notice that the chords are between brackets. Now this just means that the strumming pattern is going to be split in half and shared between those 2 chords. So the G will get the first half of the pattern and the A minor will get the second half of the pattern. So where do we do the split? Where is the pattern actually being cut in half? The G will get the first 2 down strums and the A minor will get the rest of it. Up, up, down, up. So G to A minor. You might want to practice that a few times. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And when we get to the C chord, the same will apply. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And now you'll notice why I just love sliding into that D major chord, because that change is happening on an up strum. And I just think it sounds really dreamy and beautiful. So the 4 chords you see up on the screen, that chord sequence is going to be played 3 times in the chorus. So let's give that a try now. We're going to just loop it for 3 rounds. And we're going to go at a slightly slower pace when compared to the original. So starting on the G chord, a 1, 2, ready, and down, down, up, up, down, up, C, D, back to the G, C, last time, C, D. And the last 3 chords that we have at the very end of the chorus, we have an E minor to an A chord, and we have a C major. And the E minor and the A will get the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, A. And then when we get to that C chord, we're going to do 3 down strums on the C. But we're going to accent the same beats that you hear the drums play. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the last 3 chords. Great stuff. So far we've done the verse, we've done the chorus, and there's one last section that we're going to be looking at, which is the bridge. So the bridge is dead easy. We have 4 chords, E minor to C, G, and A minor, with our same pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Each chord getting 1 round of the pattern. So it's going to sound like this, starting on the E minor. Down, down, up, up, C, G, and A minor. Just to give you some context for what the bridge actually sounds like with the lyrics, it's going to sound like this. 2, 3, 4. These lines of lightning mean we're never alone, no, no. And then it leads us into the chorus. Come on, move a little closer, ba-da-da-da. And so on and so on. So that is it, everyone. Let's go put our skills to the test in a play along, which is coming up next. Now, just a heads up, in the play along, I'm going to be doing a condensed version of the song. The reason for this is because the original is quite long and relatively repetitive. So with that being said, make sure your guitar is ready, and I'll see you in the play along coming up next. So it is play along time. Get ready on your G major. A 1, 2, 3, 4. So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love. Think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it. How much longer will it take to cure this? Just to cure it, cause I can't ignore it. If it's love, makes me wanna turn around and face me, but I don't know nothing about love. Come on, turn a little faster. Come on, world will follow after. Come on, everybody's after love. So I said I'm a snowball running down into a spring that's coming. All this love melting under blue skies, belting out sunlight, shimmering love. Well, baby, I surrender to the strawberry ice cream. Never ever end of all this love. Well, I didn't mean to do it, but there's no escaping your love. Oh, these lines of lightning mean we're never alone, no, no. Come on, move a little closer. Come on, wanna hear you whisper. Come on, settle down inside my love. We're accidentally in love, accidentally in love, accidentally in love, accidentally in love, accidentally in love. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed the lesson, you know the drill. Go ahead and give this lesson a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn that little notifications bell on so that you never miss any lessons I release in the future. Thanks again for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in another lesson very soon. Bye.